Welcome to our quick guide on the 5 most commonly misused words in transcription. These tricky terms often lead to errors, even for experienced transcribers. First, your and your. These homophones sound identical but have different meanings. Your shows possession, while your is a contraction of you are. Second, its and its. Another pair that causes confusion. Its indicates possession, while its is short for it is or it has. Third, effect and effect. These words have similar pronunciations but distinct meanings. Effect is usually a verb meaning to influence, while effect is typically a noun meaning result. Fourth, then and than. Then relates to time or sequence, while than is used for comparisons. They're often confused in rapid speech. Lastly, except and accept. Accept means to receive or agree, while accept means to exclude. Their similar sounds make them easy to mix up. By being aware of these commonly misheard words, you can significantly improve your transcription accuracy. For more tips on mastering transcription, watch our free transcription course.